Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by opening the game menu and navigating to the Loadout tab. This is where you'll assemble gear for a hunt. You must have items already in your backpack: weapon, ammo, calls, clothing, and accessories, so the slots populate. Once done, pick the weapon slot first and highlight the gun you want. Make sure to check compatible ammo types and scopes. This avoids mismatches later. Finally, confirm you're editing the correct profile or expedition, so changes apply where you intend them to. Now you assign items to specific loadout slots. You choose primary then secondary, placing guns and matching ammo. You do the same for calls and gear. Dragging or using the assign button moves an item from backpack to slot. You'll see slot icons update. Make sure to balance weight and concealment because heavy setups slow movement and affect win checks. Once slots are filled, review attachment compatibility and optics, so you won't find an incompatible scope on a rifle when you spawn. Finish by saving the new loadout profile. You need to confirm to lock changes. Then spawn or load into the map and test a quick weapon draw and call to verify animations and ammo counts. If something is missing, make sure items weren't left in stash or another profile. Reopen the loadout screen and reassign. If problems persist, check inventory weight limits and slot compatibility. Then re-equip or restart the expedition so the loadout system refreshes and applies correctly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.